that I think that I need. I get frustrated when you disagree, and you're always listening closely to me. There is a limit to what I can see, so I'm not asking for an outcome, praying for results. I'm not hoping that it all goes exactly how I want. No, I'm not asking you to do it, or asking that you don't. I'm just inviting you to my situation. Come through, 'cause I want you in my situation. I'm just inviting you in my situation. You hold the frame, past, present, and future. You see the same. I know that it's very human to want everything my way, but if I don't get what I pray for, my hope is in your name. I'm not just asking for an outcome or praying for results. I'm not hoping that it all goes exactly how I want. No, I'm not asking you to do or asking that you don't.